Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag. For this bag right here, this is the Louis Vuitton GM Neverfull. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. So this bag is perfect for every day. I use this bag every day at work. It's my work bag. And then I also take it when I travel, so it is a great travel bag as well. I actually thought about selling this bag, but I'm happy that I didn't because I don't know if it was last year or the year before, but there was kind of a shortage for the Neverfull, so I decided to keep it, and I'll probably just keep it forever. A company reached out to me and sent me a brand new bag organizer, which I am very thankful for, and I'm going to use this because I don't like bag organizers, but the Neverfull is like a black hole. You'll never find any of your items. You'll just be searching and searching, and it's just so annoying. So a bag organizer is great for the Neverfull. I highly recommend it. All of the information about this organizer will be down below. So here is the bag right here. It is completely full with all of my work items. Right here, I have these two keychains. This is a Minnie Mouse one from Amazon, which I will link something similar below. And then this Hello Kitty keychain is from a store in Vegas. I think it's called the ABC store. First thing I'm going to pull out is my phone. This is the iPhone 12. I got this case off of Amazon. I have a Stanley cup, which I love this lavender color. I got this from Target, and I got this bottom piece from Amazon. But yeah, I fell into the hype of the Stanley cup, but I use mine every day. I have this pouch, which is from Amazon. It holds my notary stamp. This is a notary seal. I use my notary stamp at work. I have this little Hello Kitty Tangle teaser, Clorox wipe. So this is what currently holds my badge for my job. It's from Etsy. It says Drea. It's super cute, but it is getting very old. This is a portable charger with the cord. My phone is always dying. And I have another one, which this one's super cute, but it's way more bulkier, so it takes up a lot of room, but I have it just in case. I have this umbrella. I have this basically empty Valentino perfume. I'm not quite sure what perfume this is, but I will link it down below. I have this toothbrush holder which holds straws. I'm gonna show you what's in my Louis Vuitton Toiletry 19 in just a second because it's overflowing. In the side pocket I have a lot of receipts and I have cough drop. I was sick a few weeks ago and I still haven't taken these out of my purse, but I like these. So first I have this Hermes hand cream. I don't really like it. I don't really like the smell. It smells like ginger. It smells like all of their perfumes, and I'm not a fan of Hermes perfumes. I have this Chanel cuticle oil, which I use every day basically. I love it. I have a lot of these Aquaphor lip balms. I love them. They're my favorite. I have a hand sanitizer. I have this pink wet brush. I have two Tide to Go sticks. I have a purple pen. Purple is my favorite color. I have these little hand warmers. I have my boarding pass for when I went to Vegas. Probably gonna throw this away. This is pretty old. It's a L'Occitane hand cream. I used to really like this, but it is pretty old, so I'm gonna throw this away. I have some glasses cleaner, another pen. This little tool cleans your AirPods. Band-Aid. I have this purse hook, which I barely use. The Chanel lip balm, which I'm not really crazy about their lip balms. I don't think they're very moisturizing. Definitely vote for Aquaphor over these. I have this little cute pill case with headache medicine. I have scissors, and I also have tweezers. I have this Chanel mirror, which I love so much. It is so cute. More Band-Aids, and I have Carmack. And that is everything that is in my Toiletry 19. This is probably my favorite Louis Vuitton SLG for sure. So the organizer that I currently have in here is from Amazon, so we're gonna throw this away because it's a little gross and switch it out for the new one that I just got. I added my keys, so I don't think I specified in my last what's in my bag that this key pouch doubles as my wallet, so all of my cards are in here. And then these are my keys for my car, and then I have a mace. And then I also have my AirPods, which I took out because it was the weekend, so it was in my other purse. My AirPods come with me to work every day. And that is it for this video, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one.